Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2. In the last part, we covered almost half of the essential tools in CapCut for YouTube automation video editing. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find the link in the description. Be sure to check it out. And if you've already watched part 1 but haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more valuable content. Now, let's jump right into part 2 and continue learning. In the next section, we'll dive even deeper into effects, transitions, and making your video look cinematic. Before we move ahead, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest video editing techniques. Let's start by exploring the media section. Here you'll find different options such as media, audio, text, stickers, effects, transitions, captions, filters, and adjustments. First, let's look at the import option. You can import videos, audio files, and images by clicking on Import and selecting files from your gallery. Once imported, all media files will be visible in the media section. To delete any media, simply select it and press the delete key. The next option is subprojects, where you can access previously created projects and reuse them in new edits. All your subprojects will appear here. The favorites section contains media you've marked as favorites. However, you'll need to sign in to CapCut to save and access them across devices. Similarly, the brand assets section also requires signing in. CapCut provides a cloud storage feature called Space, similar to Google Drive. To access it, you need to sign in using TikTok, QR code, Facebook, or Google. The library section contains stock media such as images and videos. Instead of downloading from external sites, you can search directly within CapCut. Some clips require a pro subscription, but many are free. You can also filter search results by type, image/video, and orientation. Audio section. The audio section works similarly to the media section. You can import audio files, and they'll appear in the audio section. CapCut provides a music library just like the stock media section. You can search and download music tracks to use in your videos. If you want to save a track as a favorite, you'll need to sign in. The sound effects section contains various audio effects. For example, if you search for hit, you'll find multiple sound effects related to impact sounds. You can preview, download, and drag them into your timeline. CapCut includes a copyright check feature. You can click Check Copyright, and if it displays Check Passed, it means your selected music is safe to use. Text section. To explore text options, drag some media into the timeline for better visualization. Click Add Text and drag the default text into the timeline. Adjust its length as needed. On the right-hand panel, you can edit the text content. To change the font, click Fonts, select your desired style, and apply preset styles for quick formatting. You can also drag the text to any position on the screen. To add an animation, click Animation, select an effect, and adjust the duration to make it smoother. CapCut provides pre-made text effects that you can drag and customize. The text templates section includes various ready-made text styles that can be edited and adjusted within the timeline. The Auto Captions feature uses AI to generate subtitles. Click Generate, and CapCut will create captions based on your video's audio. Once generated, you can apply different caption styles by selecting templates. If your internet is fast, it will download the templates within seconds. You can also resize and reposition captions as needed. This concludes our tutorial on media, audio, and text in CapCut. Stickers section. In the stickers section, you can add various stickers to enhance your video. To do this, simply search for the desired sticker in the search bar, download it, and drag it onto your timeline. For example, I downloaded a subscribe sticker and placed it on the timeline. Once added, you can resize and position it anywhere on the screen. To make stickers more engaging, CapCut provides multiple animation options. Click on the Animation tab, and you'll find different animation styles that can be applied to your sticker. Choose the one that best fits your video, and adjust the duration if needed. Effects section. Now, let's move on to the effects section. First, we have video effects. Click on the Effects tab, and you'll see a wide variety of effects available. Simply drag an effect onto your clip, and it will start downloading and applying automatically. Here, you can see how the effect changes the look of the video instantly. While editing, you might want to experiment with different effects. You can apply multiple effects to the same clip to create unique visuals. If you need to make adjustments, you can modify the effect settings or replace it with another one. Next, we have body effects. These effects can be applied only when a person's body is visible in the video. For example, I added a body effect, and now you can see how it has been applied. Watch closely to observe the transformation. This feature is great for adding dynamic motion effects to your content. If you're finding this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow editing tutorials. Transitions section. Transitions help create smooth flow between clips. To add a transition, click on the Transition tab and drag your preferred transition to the point where one clip ends and the next begins. Repeat the process for other clips to ensure seamless video flow. CapCut offers a wide range of transitions, so you can choose the one that best suits your video. Captions section. The captions section works the same way as auto captions, so there's no need for a detailed explanation. You can follow the same steps as auto captions to add text to your video. Filters section. Filters enhance the overall quality and visuals of your video. By applying different filters, you can adjust colors, brightness, and contrast. For example, after adding a new filter, you can immediately see how it changes the look of the video. Let's apply another filter to the next clip. You can clearly notice the difference. Adding filters to all clips ensures a consistent and professional look. That's it. These are the essential tools you need to edit a beginner-level video for your YouTube automation channel. Keep practicing and experimenting with different features to improve your editing skills.